Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Let's dive into the thrilling roller coaster ride of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, or PSII, for the week of September 24th to October 4th, 2024. Starting on September 24th, the PSI opened at 7,422.36, but closed the day down by 0.94% at 7,362.62. Not the best start. But hold on, because on September 25th, it rebounded, closing up by 1.31% at 7,458.74. September 26th saw a slight dip, closing at 7,428.30, down by 0.41%. And on September 27th, the week ended with a significant drop of 2.10%, closing at 7,272.65. Fast forward to the week of September 30th to October 4th. The index kicked off strong on September 30th, closing up by 1.48% at 7,380.32. October 1st continued the upward trend, closing at 7,402.81, up by 0.30%. However, on October 2nd, we saw a minor decline, closing at 7,388.92, down by 0.19%. Interestingly, October 3rd and 4th closed at the exact same level, 7,388.92, showing stability. Now let's spotlight the top three gainers during this period. First up, Ayala Land Inc. fundamentals show strong earnings growth from robust sales in residential and commercial segments. Technically, it broke above key resistance levels with strong volume support. Next, SM Investments Corporation. With increased consumer spending and expansion in retail and property, SM Investments exhibited a strong uptrend fueled by solid fundamentals and technical indicators. And lastly, Jollibee Foods Corporation. Bolstered by international expansion and domestic recovery, Jollibee's technical indicators like RSI and MACD signaled bullish momentum. So what's the takeaway? The PSA's performance indicates volatility but also resilience. Quick recoveries from dips suggest strong investor confidence. Look forward to potential fluctuations, but expect strong fundamentals in key sectors to support growth. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance updates. Catch you in the next one.